What does your follow-up process look like? How are you following up with people? Are you using software systems? Are you doing it by Excel? Do you have a team member? How are you following up?
VA. So it would be like, I had a VA who was helping me with this outreach. So I had an automation and the automation platform since went under because LinkedIn tends to, target those and make them go away. So I don't do LinkedIn automation right now. But back then I had an automation that did the initial reach outs. I would feed the automation like a LinkedIn Sales Navigator query that identified podcasters who are also clearly entrepreneurs. It would do the initial reach out and ask them if they want to listen to the show. And then if as soon as they respond, yes, I'm interested, then the automation stops and I would have a VA pick up a conversation from there and ask, okay, what app do you use to listen? They would answer. The VA had all the links, would send it there. And then the VA would keep track in a spreadsheet who she sent the links to. And then 7 days later, if we didn't get a message back, follow up and say, hey, did you get a chance to listen to the show? And like I said, that is where the vast majority of people were like, oh, no, I didn't, but I'll totally listen tonight. And then that's, from there, those folks eventually a lot of them became clients.
Love it. So you're using the software to qualify and then a VA to scale your qualification even more so. And then what? Are they getting on a phone call with you or a Zoom call and say, hey, Kevin, excited to have you on the show. You've already been warmed up through my platform, through these different funnel places. Are you getting on a call to close them?
Back then, yes. So we're talking now late 2020, like November, December 2020. And so at that point, it was me getting on the call. And yeah, I had a whole demo process where the first half of it, I would just understand what it is that they're doing, what their goals are. And I'm thinking like, okay, is this someone I can really help? Is this someone that I'm going to want to work with? Like, do we vibe? And then if so, I would make the pitch, explain, what the program would do, the steps it would take, how we go about doing it, and then ask them if they want in. And at that point, I was closing about 40 to 60% of folks myself, which was great. But in the future, I would eventually then hire sales reps who could have those conversations.
Thanks for watching Mark Svant Media. Here we're going to help you create better content in less time and turn that attention into income. If you love this video, you're going to love these videos here. Click the one. Me and my team specially selected this just for you. Click the link. Check out the video. I'll catch you here next time on Mark Svant Media. Peace.